welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this video, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. As of Zodiac February teasers. 3rd February 2025, Elito turns to Isaac for help regarding her relationship with Katlem. But Bra Ike is ill and is discussing such issues with his daughter and is unable to help you. 4 February 2025. Palesa invites Neo to a party celebration her soon-to-open shop. Now, Una wants Neo that Palesa is not someone he wants to entangle himself with. Okay. Neo makes it clear that he has no feelings for Palesa. February 2025. A confused and pained Neo continues to worry as Una insists that the fact that they slept together means nothing to her. Haibo. He presses her to sit down with him and explain what's going on. 7 February 2025. Bra Ike is left feeling anxious when Mjabli Seni returns to the saloon with flowers for Maria and admits that he has feelings for her. 10 February 2025. Una tells Shoki that she slept with Neo but has no feelings for him, while Neo tells Tato he thinks Una used him for sex and has no intentions for being involved with him. On February 2025, Maria gets Tato's advice on what dress to wear for her date with Mjabuliseni. Bra I compliments her, but Maria assumes he means nothing by it. 12 February 2025. Msizi arrives at the car wash with Faith's car and tasks Musa with washing it. However, Musa, who has been drinking on the job, ends up crashing the car. Neo pleads with Una to go on a date with him and for one last chance to prove his life for her Akumanzi Pansla. He tells her he won't bother her again. Una reluctantly agrees. 14 February 2025. Una tells Tato that she thinks that now it's going to do a big romantic gesture for Valentine's and she will have to reject him again. However, she is later annoyed when Palesa arrives and flirts openly with Neo. 17 February 2025. Wounded by Musa's words, Soka defends himself and explains that he has worked hard for everything he has, but at least he knows for sure how Musa sees him. 18 February. Bra Ike and Maria agreed at night to spend time together without arousing suspicions. Later that night, Molefe hears a sound outside and goes to investigate. Batate Molefe. 19 February 2025. While Soga and Mampo celebrate being reunited, Neo pulls out all the stops to win Una's back with a PowerPoint presentation showing why he deserves another chance with her. The guy what try Sham. 20 February 2025. Neo is left disappointed when Una gives him a luxurious promise to get back to him with her response to his presentation. 21 February 2025. Marvin steals a car and follows Msizi to the coffee shop. He confronts Msizi there. We learn that Marvin was a member of Msizi's old heist crew, and even though Msizi thought he was dead, he survived. 24 February 2025. Let's urge Tato to press Mampo into fulfilling her promise to make him co-designer. When confronted by Tato, Mampo reluctantly promised that she will get to it. Msizi meets with Sizwe at the secluded spot. He fears that Sizwe didn't buy his story about the cops taking their heist money. He intends to kill him before Sizwe kills him first. 26 February 2025. Tato realized that the team has been planning a surprise party. He delighted as they congratulate him on being co-designer at Sincere Mampo. 27 February 2025, Les is thrilled when Tato asks for her help designing the ballroom costumes. And in a light-hearted moment, Les reveals she was quite the dancer back in the day. She and Tato ends up dancing. 28 February 2025. A shocked and embarrassed Bra Isaac and Maria are confronted by Kelechi, leading to a commotion that awakened the rest of the Molefe. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.